Let's be honest. Most meetings suck. They're time-consuming, unfocused, and often leave you wondering, what was the point of that? I've been there. You leave a 60-minute meeting with 0 clear action items, and now you're an hour behind on your actual work. It's a massive drain on productivity and morale. But what if I told you there's a framework, just 3 simple steps to make every meeting focused, effective, and actually worthwhile? Stick around because today we're learning how to run a meeting that doesn't suck. The secret to a great meeting doesn't happen in the meeting. It happens before. This is where you win or lose. Step 1 has 2 critical questions you must answer. First, does this meeting even need to happen? Could this be solved with a quick Slack message, an email, or a 5-minute sync? If the answer is yes, do that instead. Respect everyone's time. Second, what is the specific desired outcome? This is the most important part. You must be able to finish this sentence. When this meeting is over, we will have accomplished X. Now, you've confirmed the meeting is necessary and you have a clear outcome. Next, you need an agenda. This isn't a list of topics. It's a plan for achieving that outcome. Your agenda should be sent out with the calendar invite. Here's what it needs: the outcome. State it clearly at the top. The outcome can be, for example, decide on the final logo design. The points of discussion: list the 3 to 5 key questions or topics that will get you to that outcome. For example, 1. Review top 3 options. Item 2, for example. Discuss feedback from the design team. Item 3, for example. Final vote. Work on time allocation. Assign a time limit to each agenda item. This keeps you on track. 5 minutes per option review, 10 minutes for discussion. Assign preparatory work. What do attendees need to read or review before the meeting? Attach it to the invite. This prevents you from wasting the first 15 minutes just getting everyone up to speed. By sending this, you set clear expectations. Everyone knows why they're there and what they need to do to be prepared. It's showtime. How you run the meeting is crucial. First, start on time. Period. Don't punish the people who were on time by waiting for the ones who are late. This rewards punctuality. Second, assign key roles. It's a facilitator. That's you. Your job is to guide the conversation, stick to the agenda, and ensure the outcome is met. Another role would be the note-taker, someone who is not you, to be responsible for documenting key decisions and, most importantly, action items. Use a shared doc like Google Docs so everyone can follow along in real time. Another role would be the timekeeper. Someone can gently nudge when you're spending too long on one agenda item. Third, facilitate, don't dominate. Your job is to ask great questions and get input from everyone, especially the quiet people. Sarah, what are your thoughts on this? Someone goes off on a tangent, politely but firmly guide them back. Say something like, that's an interesting point. For the sake of time, let's park this item and come back to it later if we have time. You are not finished when the meeting is over. A meeting without follow-through is just a conversation. This is where the note-taker's document becomes gold. Within an hour of the meeting ending, you need to send a follow-up email to everyone with 2 things: the decisions made. Summarize the key conclusions. This ensures everyone leaves with the same understanding. The action items. This is non-negotiable. For every action item, you must state who is doing what by when. Write, for example, "Hi team, thanks for your time today. We decided to go with logo option B. These are the action items. Anna, send the final logo to the vendor by end of day Friday. David, update the project timeline with the new launch date by tomorrow. Mark, schedule the next check-in for next Tuesday." This creates immediate accountability and makes the entire meeting valuable. So let's recap the 3-step framework to save your meetings. Before the meeting, define the outcome and create a timed agenda. During the meeting, start on time, assign roles, and facilitate the discussion. And after the meeting, send a follow-up with decisions and clear action items. Here's the value bomb. Implementing this framework doesn't just make your meetings better. It actually creates more time. You'll have shorter, less frequent, and more effective meetings, which means you and your team have more time for deep, focused work. What's your biggest meeting pet peeve? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content on business and productivity. Thanks for watching. Now go forth and run a meeting that doesn't suck. See you in the next one.